It's too darn hot outside to do anything, so I'm sitting inside bored with the AC on right now and decided to make a video about my new pot. I couldn't believe it. We were in Costco the other day and they had a big stack of these pots. I've been looking for a big pot for a long time for, brewing and making sauce and cooking down maple syrup and just about everything. And Costco had these for $64.99, a 38-quart pot, which is a really large pot. So I grabbed one and thought I'd make a video about it because I know a lot of other people out there, do a lot of canning and stuff, or may be interested in this. So it really was well packed. It just had some plastic around it holding the top on it. You can see it's a nice matte finish stainless steel inside of it. It's fairly heavy. The top section of it is single wall, real nice heavy material, but then the bottom is a real thick triple bottom, so that should be really good for sauce and maple syrup and stuff like that. And everything fits together nice. The only thing is, our stove, remember, is 6 inches out with the wider counter, but if you've got standard countertops, you're not going to be able to use this under a range hood, so it's going to be more of an outdoor type pot, I think. But I just thought I'd show you just how tall it actually is. And one good thing about it, that plastic sticker on it came off with leaving no residue behind. So that I really was impressed with. So I know it's pretty heavy, so I figured let me get out the scale. Dealing with this boredom here, so I threw it on the scale and gave it a weighing just to see what it is empty. I know full, I probably couldn't pick it up. But let's get over to the English system here that I understand. And in the end, it was just a little bit over 15 pounds, 15 pound, 0.8 ounces. So you can see it's a fairly heavy pot to move around and stuff. So now it's time for a magic show, and you're going to see me pull a rabbit out of a pot. Well, I guess that's not all that fits in there. This thing's pretty darn big. A whole cow in there too. Pretty amazing. And what else is in there? Oh, fox. Wow, that's pretty cool. I see something else down in the bottom there. Get this thing out. Oh, and it's my killer bee my wife just made me. And she'd been just enjoying making these animals. She started making a batch of them to give away to poor kids and stuff like that now. So she's got like 10 books to make these things, and she works on them daily, and they just keep coming out better and better every time. I thought I'd just share you some of these, just show you some of the most recent ones. But there have been a ton of them lately. And there's my bee. I asked her for a bee, and a couple hours later I had a bee. And that's one end of the bee you don't want to deal with. So I just made this video because I know, a lot of other people out there are interested in stuff like this, and I thought this was a really good deal if you are a Costco member. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.